Numerology's life path number is derived from your birth date and reveals your core life purpose, natural strengths, and the journey you're here to walk. If your life path number is 1, you're the pioneer, the one who blazes new trails, leads with vision, and thrives on independence. You're here to embody originality, self-reliance, and bold initiative. This number symbolizes fresh starts and the power of the individual to shape reality. This comprehensive guide dives deep into what it means to be a life path 1. Whether you're exploring your chart for the first time or seeking deeper self-understanding, these insights will empower you to align with your highest potential. Perfect for a 5+ minute YouTube deep dive. Grab your coffee and let's unpack the leader within. Personality traits, the core of the life path 1 individual. At your essence, life path 1 energy is all about autonomy and drive. You're a natural-born leader, confident, ambitious, innovative, and fiercely independent. You possess strong initiative, quick thinking, and a pioneering spirit that makes you unafraid to step into the unknown. Creativity flows through you as original ideas rather than following trends. You create them. Key traits include determination and resilience. You set goals and pursue them with laser focus. Self-motivation. External validation isn't your fuel, inner drive is. Courage and assertiveness. You speak up, take charge, and inspire others. Originality. You think outside the box and value authenticity above all. People often describe life path 1s as energetic trailblazers who turn vision into reality. Your presence commands attention, not through force, but through sheer force of will and charisma. Career direction, where life path 1s shine brightest. Life path 1s thrive in environments that reward independence and leadership. You're not built for micromanaging bosses or rigid hierarchies. You excel when you're the one steering the ship or building your own. Ideal career paths and specializations. Entrepreneurship and business ownership. Starting your own venture lets you innovate freely. Leadership and executive roles. CEO, manager, or director positions where you guide teams. Creative and innovative fields. Writing, media, advertising, marketing, or creative direction. High-impact professions. Politics, law, especially advocacy or criminal justice. Sports, coaching, mentoring, or public speaking. Pioneering industries. Tech startups, invention, consulting, anywhere new ideas are valued. The key, roles that allow autonomy, decision-making power, and visible results. Many life path 1s become successful athletes, authors, or visionary founders because they refuse to play small. Avoid soul-crushing corporate ladders where your ideas get buried. Seek or create spaces where your leadership is celebrated. Compatibility insights, how life path 1 aligns with others. Relationships are where your independent nature meets the need for connection. Life path 1s bring passion and drive to partnerships, but can clash when control or ego enters the picture. Compatibility hinges on mutual respect for freedom and ambition. Repeat these daily, ideally in the mirror or during morning routines, to reinforce your strengths. I am a confident leader who creates my own path with courage and clarity. I embrace my independence and trust my vision to guide me to success. I lead with integrity, inspire others, and welcome collaboration that elevates us all. Every challenge is an opportunity for me to innovate and grow stronger. I am worthy of my dreams and take bold action to manifest them daily. I balance my drive with compassion for myself and those around me. I am the architect of my destiny, and I build it with wisdom and power. Use these to combat self-doubt or impatience. They realign you with your natural leadership energy. Shadow sides, challenges and obstacles to watch for. Even the strongest leaders have blind spots. Life path 1's greatest gifts can become hurdles if unchecked. Common shadow traits include stubbornness and dominance. Insisting on being right can alienate others or block teamwork. Impatience and arrogance. Quick to act, you may dismiss input or overlook details. Self-centered tendencies. Over-focus on personal goals can lead to isolation or strained relationships. Difficulty delegating or sharing control. Learning to trust others is a lifelong lesson. Ego-driven reactions. Fear of failure or appearing weak can fuel defensiveness. The antidote? Cultivate humility, active listening, and emotional awareness. These shadows aren't flaws, they're growth edges that turn you into a more balanced, empathetic leader. Everyday life, practical applications of Life Path 1 energy. Life Path 1 wisdom isn't just for big life decisions, it transforms daily moments. Here's how to live it. Decision making. Trust your instincts first, but pause to ask, how does this affect the team/family? This prevents isolation. Interactions. Take the lead in group settings, planning outings, projects, but invite input. Your natural authority shines brighter when inclusive. Habits and routines. Start your day with a personal ritual, journaling goals, exercise, to fuel independence. Innovate small things, try a new route to work or experiment with recipes. Challenges. When facing obstacles, reframe them as pioneer tests. Instead of pushing solo, practice asking for support. It builds stronger connections without diminishing your power. Self-care. Schedule solo time to recharge your independent spirit, but balance it with meaningful social connections. In short, lead your daily life like the CEO of You Inc., with vision, action, and a dash of collaboration. Intersections with other parts of numerology. The full chart picture. Your life path 1 is the foundation, but it doesn't exist in isolation. It interacts dynamically with other core numbers in your numerology chart for a richer portrait. Expression destiny number, from your full birth name. This reveals natural talents and how you express yourself outwardly. If it's also 1, your leadership abilities are amplified. You're a powerhouse of originality. A supportive number, like 3 or 5, adds creativity or adaptability to your path. Soul urge, heart's desire number, vowels in your name. This shows inner motivations. A soul urge 1 doubles down on independence and the drive to lead from within. If it's a contrasting number, like 2 or 6, it softens your edges, urging you toward partnership or service alongside your solo achievements. Other aspects, e.g., personal year cycles, birthday number. These add timing and nuance. A personal year 1, for example, brings fresh starts that align perfectly with your life path, ideal for launching projects. When all numbers harmonize with your life path 1, you operate at peak power. Mismatches, e.g., a highly collaborative soul urge, highlight areas for conscious integration, turning potential friction into well-rounded mastery. Final thoughts. Embrace your life path 1 power. Life path number 1 is a call to lead, innovate, and live authentically on your own terms. Your journey is about claiming independence, while learning that true strength includes lifting others. By honoring your traits, navigating challenges, and weaving in the wisdom of your full numerology chart, you don't just succeed, you inspire a new way forward. Ready to step fully into your leadership? Calculate or recalculate your full chart. Journal with the affirmations and take one bold action today. The world needs your original vision. What's your life path number? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how 1 energy shows up in your life. Share this guide if it resonated, and stay tuned for deep dives into other numbers.